Solve the following quadratic equation and find out the roots for the same. Y raised to 4 minus 8y square plus 15 is equal to 0. Now let's assume y square is equal to x. Therefore, y raised to 4 becomes x square. So therefore, the quadratic equation becomes x square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. Now, if we compare this quadratic equation with the general form, you get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, and c is equal to 50. So the product AC becomes 1 into 15, that is 15. Now, we want to split 15 in such a way that the addition of factors should be minus 8. So therefore, the factors become minus 3 and minus 5. So therefore, let's do it. So it becomes x square minus 3x minus 5x plus 15 equal to 0. Taking x common, you have x minus 3 minus 5 common, you have again x minus 3. So therefore, you have x minus 5 into x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 5 or x equal to 3. Now x is y square. So therefore, y square is equal to 5 or y square is equal to 3. And therefore, we can say y is equal to plus or minus root 5 or y is equal to plus or minus root 3. So these are the roots of the given equation.